Hello, my name is Derek Lee. I'm a manager of international business development in Pablo Air. We are a research-based drone company in South Korea. I know you might say, drone company again, but I will give you a different perspective of this industry through our solutions. Since established in 2018, we've been developing different drone solutions such as logistics and air shows through our own secure ground control system and swarm drones. We expect to release the Wi-Fi solutions which reduce the amount of payloads such as heavy thermal camera and other necessary devices to operate given mission. To have its algorithms to assess and estimate the Wi-Fi behavior, we are working on partnerships with Stanford and Georgia State University. Our competitors such as Inmates, Insight2, FlyMotion say they provide the same solution to the government, but they only replace the payload such as mapping device and the better camera, which harms the overall reputation of the industry. And disappoints investors just like you who expected something really cool and new. Our strategies to enter the market are B2G and B2B business models. We expect to offer the service to government sectors such as U.S. Forest Service and other government agencies who are first responders to the Wi-Fi. Also in the private sector, as mentioned above, they are our future clients because they are providing the same solution to the government sector now. So to maintain our business now, we've been conducting a number of drone shows and built partnerships in different organizations, both private and public sectors, such as Korea Air Force, SM Culture and Contents, SK, KT, and Korea Aerospace Research Institute. Also, we've been exporting the drone parts to Argentina, Lebanon, Belgium, thanks to our systems applied their drones. However, our main goal of the business is to release our service, the Wi-Fi solution, in 2 years and have the 60% of the market share in the US by 2029. Thanks for watching this video, and it was a great honor to show our business and its future. Hope to see you guys soon.